Have you ever caught yourself struggling to climb a flight of stairs or feeling a little shaky when getting up from a chair? What if I told you that there's one simple movement that could fix all that? And it's not a magic pill or an expensive piece of equipment. It's something far more powerful, the humble lunge. This isn't just another leg day move. Lunges are a fundamental part of healthy, pain-free movement. They don't just build muscle, they rebuild confidence, mobility, and stability. As we age, life starts to feel heavier. Tasks that once felt easy, like walking briskly, stepping onto a curb, or standing from the floor, can begin to feel like challenges. But contrary to popular belief, it's not simply because we're getting older. It's because we stop moving in ways that maintain the strength and coordination our bodies were designed for. The truth is, aging doesn't make us weak. Inactivity does. And lunges can help turn that around. Think of lunges as movement therapy. They work multiple muscle groups at once: your glutes, quads, hamstrings, calves, even your core. But more importantly, they challenge your balance, improve your hip and knee mobility, and strengthen the stabilizing muscles around your joints. That's a full body benefit in one simple exercise. Done consistently and correctly, lunges can drastically reduce the risk of joint pain, instability, and even injury. One of the silent threats of growing older is the slow erosion of balance and control. Without realizing it, your stride shortens, your posture slumps, and your center of gravity shifts. You may start walking with caution instead of confidence. This is not just about looks. It's about safety. A single fall can change a life. But lunges are powerful enough to help you avoid that fate. They retrain your body to stay balanced, upright, and strong. Even better, lunges aren't just for the gym. They prepare you for real-life movement, stepping over things, picking up objects, catching yourself when you slip, and more. These movements happen every day, and lunges are the closest thing to practicing life. They mimic functional movements that we often take for granted, until they become hard. By practicing lunges regularly, you're literally preparing your body to live better. Now you might be thinking, lunges hurt my knees, or I've never been good at them. That's completely normal. Many people avoid lunges for these reasons, but the solution isn't to skip them. It's to start with the right approach. Begin with reverse lunges, which are easier on the knees and put less pressure on your joints. Use a chair or wall for balance. Don't rush. Focus on form, not depth. Even assisted lunges, when done correctly, can offer massive benefits to your strength, posture, and joint health. Imagine this. You're walking into a room with confidence. Your back is straight, your steps are strong, and your body feels supported. You don't need help getting up. You don't hesitate on stairs. You feel in control again. That's the long-term reward of building strength through lunges. So don't wait until you're forced to regain your mobility. Start protecting it now. Just a few minutes of lunges a day can make a world of difference. Over time, you'll notice improved flexibility, stronger legs, better coordination, and most importantly, confidence in your movements. Are you ready to move with strength, balance, and freedom again? Start with just a few lunges today. Make it part of your daily routine. Your future self, the one who moves with ease and lives without fear of falling, will thank you. And if you're serious about staying strong, mobile, and youthful for years to come, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Let's keep moving forward, together.